What it do, Ant family? It's your boy Ant, man. Welcome back to my reaction channel, man. I'm back at y'all with another reaction video, man. Y'all already know what to do for y'all hit my dough, Ant family. I'm gonna let y'all handle that business, man. Y'all handle that business, man. I appreciate it, man. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, man, family, and hit that bell so you know when the kid drop, man. Appreciate y'all for tapping in with the kid, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. It's love. It's love. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all for that big 429 subs, man. Welcome to the Ant family. All the new subs, man. Welcome, 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 man. You know what I'm saying? Join the family. Appreciate y'all for coming. Appreciate y'all for coming. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm back with another reaction video, Ant family, man. We back in Russia with it, man. We back with our peoples, man. The top dog, man. Hey, bare knuckle. Y'all already know how we get done. You know what I'm saying? We back at the top dog, bare knuckle. Finna see some folk get knocked out, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, make sure y'all give me one favor before we get into this video. Like, comment, subscribe, man, and hit that bell so you know when the kid drop, man. 3-piece combo with the biscuit, man. Hey, let's get into it. Ooh, vicious ass 2-piece, chat. Yee. But with top dog, man, I ain't gonna lie, but hey, they get it in. Ooh. Touching his ass, chat. Ooh, that body shot. Body shot take all the air out of nigga. I'm talking about your diaphragm tight, boy. I'm talking about them body shots vicious, folks. You hit a nigga in the right spot on the body, you can stop him. I'm talking about stop. He done. It'll be no more. Bing. Watch this shit. Get out of here. Finish him. Hurt that boy.
Телевизионщики, бабушки около...
Ooh, shit. He leaking already, chat. Like, ooh. Bro, what is it about the Asian fighters that come to Top Dog, gang? They take hella damage, bro. It's like they don't try to, like, defend themselves, gang. I like, at all. Like, they just be taking shots nobody should take. Nobody should take that shit. The fight, y'all, man, chin strong. I give them that, cause they take some ass whooping, folks. But damn, bro. And the ref just keep fighting. Go. You good? You good? Go. On me. That's why I like Top Dog. Hey, it's up to you to want to quit. Cause the ref, you gotta be damn near dead for them to stop that motherfucker. Fucking him over in that bitch. That nigga leaking. Ooh! I told you, chat. Look at him. Crimson mask, chat. Blood bleeding everywhere. Buddy been catching him since the fight started. Damn. That nigga leaking, chat. Ooh. Buddy is loading that right hand up. Ooh, God, fuck. Woo, hey. He ate that. He ate it. Licked his finger licking. But that nigga head damn near came off that 1-2, bro. Bruh is loading the right up. That's why the whole left side of this nigga face is through. He getting banged up out here, Chad. I'm talking about this punching workout on Buddy, folks. How he stand up off that last 1-2, I don't know, bro. I commend him. I commend him on the chin, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But that shit was vicious. Ooh. He throwing them bitches though, chat. Ooh, he just touching that boy left side up, bro. He loading that right. Good one. Uppercut. Like, look at Buddy face. Ooh, shit. He loading that right hand the fuck up, bro. Man, dog. No. Bro, this nigga eyes closed, folks. Both of them. That's why he ain't seeing them right hands. Oh, me, buddy, loading that bitch. He coming from the hip with that bitch like a nigga throwing a pitch. He loading up, bam, yang. I'm talking about, man, boy, this nigga shit broke, bro. That's a broke nose, couple orbital, man, breaks, fractures. Boy, this nigga is taking damage, brain damage, chat. Bro, that nigga shit fat, G. Man, ain't no way. They got him still out there. Ooh! Damn, that boy leaking, Chad. Oh! God. Oh, man. This nigga, why y'all let him do this? Bro, I did been looking like a zombie, folks. Like, this nigga done whoop Buddy eyes closed, folks. Both of them. And broke his nose, folks. Boy. God damn. What that fight over with? You better not let him go back out there. On me. Ah, that boy mad. Ah! I disgraced the family. That boy mad as hell, but hey. You fought well, my young son. You fought well. But hey, that damage was too fucking much, bro. If your family disown you after this, bro, hey, I don't know what to tell you, folks. You ain't quit. Yeah, shit, cause you, nigga, look at your face. God damn, bro. That boy finna have weeks of bed rest. That is crazy, boy. I ain't never seen a nigga get their ass beat that bad, chat. Had that boy shit on pumpkin. Ooh. Stop that boy.
Команда стоп. Затылок не бьем.
Damn. Ooh. He touching that nigga ass. Ooh, uppercut lifted him up. Damn. Ooh. That nigga Leaking. Ooh, he caught that boy. Boy, leaking too. Yeah, he done put in more work than him though. Yeah, I figured that. He put in way more work. Touching buddy ass up. This big muscular ass nigga. Ooh, big though. Ooh. Big boy going. He on big boy ass. Big teddy bear ass nigga, chat. Come here. Fucking big boy up, man. Big boy scared, chat. Fight back. Touching big boy ass. Gave him an extra one, chat. He done. It's over, man. That nigga didn't even want to fight. Big sire ass nigga, man. Oh shit, you heard that.
Раздергивает по боковым.
Ooh. When a nigga sit you on your ass, bruh, the shot was solid, bruh. Talking about, see, straight out, bruh, jab, hit him on the chin, folks. Damn, we got caught.
Это будет, конечно, очень опасно для него.
Достает левым сбоку сейчас и толкается на атаку. Амин вот
сейчас
доставать соперника.
Провалился, да, с левым боковым, но от сейчас...
Я готов рубиться, как...
Поправлю тебя, этот стиль у нас называется, оказывается. Это. Есть переплетение.
такие, да.
Двойкой такой. Левый, правый стиль. Больше надо работать. Хорошие джебы сегодня Алексей нам показывает.
И вот здесь достает очень плотный удар, который просаживает. Функциональный левый.
Damn, man, they in that bitch trade, chat. Some good fights, man. It was some good ass fights. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that video, chat, man. That's it for the video today, man. Let me know what y'all think about the top dog, man. Hey, these vicious KOs, man. You feel me? Hey, we had some good fights, some great fights within this video. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but let me know down below. Drop in the comments, man. Hey, which fight you think was the best one, man? You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments, man. You feel me? Hey. But I appreciate y'all for tapping in with the kid, man. You know what I'm saying? Always, man. It's always love, man. Y'all comment, man. I comment back. Good discourse in the comments, man. To talk, you know what I'm saying? Have a conversation about the content. It's all love, you know what I'm saying? I love to engage with my subs, you know what I'm saying? Hey. But I appreciate y'all for that big 429 subs. All the new and family members, welcome, man. You know what I'm saying? Get comfortable, man. I appreciate y'all for joining the family, man. We trying to get to that big 500, man. That's our next goal, man. You know what I'm saying? 500 subs, and we almost there, man. We creeping, we getting there. You feel me? So, hey, but before y'all get out of here, do your kid one favor, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure you hit that bell, man. 3-piece combo with a biscuit. Let you know when the kid drop, man. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hey, but without further ado, man, it's your boy Ant. It's Ant Reacts, and I'm out, family.